a scatter plot. So to draw a scatter plot, we shall use still the ggplot, and this time data we are going to use still data 6. Is it? Or data 5? I think data 5 is not so modified. So the AES, or the aesthetics, we are going to say X, since it is a scatter plot, it has to be between two independent, let's look, it is going to be between two continuous variables. Let's look at data 5, how data 5 looks like. So data 5, we're going to scatter departure time versus the scheduled. So we're going to scatter between departure time and the scheduled departure time. And we see the difference, how these two display. So we're going to, it's going to be departure. I think it's called depth time. And the Y is going to be the scheduled. Y is going to be the shed depth time. Shed, mind about the spelling. Depth time. So this time the geom is going to be point, and the geom point has asterisk this, which is AES, and we can put here color. We are going to color this by, let's separate those who delayed and those who did not delay, maybe by delayed category 2. Delayed category 2. So let's scatter this and we see. So it's taking time. This is a very big data set. Finally it's here. So it has colored, it has put the dots here. You can even change the shape of these dots. You can just add in the aesthetics, like shape this, but now we can still shape. It's okay. We can shape by departure, delayed. So it's shape by delayed, and we see. Yes, it has created new shapes for each category. So you see that they are within almost the same, because the departure time almost coincides with the scheduled departure time. So it has removed the missings, which is a good thing. So this is how we draw a scatter plot. You can go ahead and add labels and everything. So you can do that as in your own time. So we're going to look at one last thing, and it's going to be, we're going to use in. So in also works as a filter, but it filters within a category. So let's say we are going to filter month. For month, we are going to filter in January, and within January we want the delayed category, which is not delayed, and we are going to group by the delayed category and summarize those frequencies, those numbers. I don't know if I'm making sense, but when I start, the sense will come. So we're going to create data 7, and we're going to get it from data 6. We are going to filter. What are we filtering? We are going to filter We're going to filter data 5. In month, we're going to filter January. So you see here, I used the data within the filter command, or it can be outside, no problem. So we're going to filter January. Is it? We want to filter month. And this month is going to be, yeah, in the month we are going to filter, we're going to select January. So in month, we are going to select January. Mind about the spelling. Oh, this is a small c. We are going to select January, and in this January, we are going only to, within January, let's get only those who did not delay. So that means the delay cut, from the delay cut, which is within the January month, and data set 5, we are going only to select those who are not delayed. So, comma. So within this month, we are going to also, we said we are going to select from delayed category, we are going to select those who are not delayed. So from the delayed category, oh, now I have delay cut in dataset 6. Let me first look at dataset 6. I might be using a wrong dataset. No, I'm using a wrong dataset. So let me see. Yeah, I'm supposed to use dataset 5. Okay, because it wasn't coming out. That's how I knew. So when you pipe in here, when you start to type, it will show you the variables that are there. So we are going to select again those who not delayed. So, but what do we want from them? We want to group them by delayed category 2. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Percentage greater than percentage group by. We are grouping by delayed category 2. Delayed. Oh no. Delayed category 2. And within delayed category 2, we want to summarize the frequency or the count in each. So let's summarize the frequency. Let's get the frequency in each. Oh, summarize. Summarize frequency equals n. So we are going to summarize the number, which is the frequency. Let's run this command. So let's look at the data. That data set 7. Oh, 0. We don't have anyone there. Let me look at it. It has the delayed category 2. Oh no, I think there was nobody not delayed. So let's remove this group by, is it? I think from January. Let's add Feb and we see. No, December. Still 0. There was nobody who was, there's no plane which was delayed in December. Okay. So let's remove this group by and just summarize. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, still no, none. Yeah, I think there wasn't. That was delayed, which is a good thing if there wasn't. So, but that's this was just to show you how to use the in from within the months of January and Feb. Pick those delayed categories, and from the day, I hope I didn't make wrong spelling. Not delayed. Yeah, it's the spelling. It is a small d. Oh, that means I was correct. There should be, yeah, there should be there. Yeah, we are looking at Jan and December. Maybe I spot back our, and we see our group by. So group by, delayed category 2, and summarize by frequency equals n. Yeah, we see Q1, Q2. Only in Q1 and Q2, that's where we had the category 2, which were not delayed and were from January and December. Oh wow. So if we don't use the group by, let's say we skip the group by, let me just copy this and paste it here. Maybe data, we can leave it data set 7. So if we remove this group by and we just summarize. Oh wait, what is not happening? Okay, another bracket, sorry. No, non-delayed. So there's nothing there. So let's just leave it at that. Maybe we wanted to summarize January and December. We wanted to just summarize January and December, and yeah, and select only those from January and December. From months, select only January and December, and within January and December, only select those who are not delayed. So this is what it did, and you see how data wrangling in R is interesting. So within these months in dataset 5, we are selecting within months of January and December, and within months of January and December again we are selecting only those planes that delayed. So if we change this to planes that did not delay, if we select which planes that delayed, it will change. It will give us only the planes that delayed in January and December. OR is very interesting. So I think this was a nice introductory video to R, and don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to us, and put the like button. Push the like button, You can also suggest the topics you want us to discuss next. Thank you for listening.